Hello everyone, welcome to Deep's Kitchen. Myself Dietitian Deep. Today I am going to make watermelon smoothie. Watermelon is a summer fruit. It contains 90% of water. It's rich in fiber, vitamin C and rich in antioxidants. It boosts your immunity. For today's recipe, we need watermelon, lemon, pudina leaves, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are optional, and salt. Now we have to put all the ingredients in a jar. You have to remove all the seeds from watermelon and then pudina leaves, and I'm going to squeeze this lemon. Then chia seeds, and there is no need to add any water, just we have to blend it out. Now blend it well. Now refreshing drink, which is the watermelon smoothie, is ready. You can take this smoothie in your breakfast, or you can also take this smoothie in your mid-morning snack. Most of the diseases are caused in our body due to inflammation of the body and with the formation of free radicals. This smoothie provides you a lot of antioxidants which can cure your inflammation, and it can remove free radicals from your body. This smoothie is good for diabetic patients, high BP patients, and also helps in weight reduction. It can cure your constipation also. So enjoy this drink in this hot summer and feel fresh. If you want to see this type of more videos, please like my videos, share them and subscribe my channel. Thank you.